Can you blow my whistle, baby? Whistle, baby.
Hey guys, it's Tara from Planning with Tara. I wanted to do an unboxing of my Scarlet Planner Society planner kit. It came today. I just have to use my phone so that I could easily open it. So here's what it looks like. And it's in this cute little package. I'm gonna remove the box and we will take it all out. I'm in the middle of moving, so I don't know where my tripod is. Alright, so there is this really cute washi tape. And that's what it looks like. It says Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. It's really cute. See if I can get it to focus. And then these are 10 pins, self-adhesive metal badges. It says capture the everyday, click, 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 say cheese, insta love, and oh snap. And then the cute little camera. There is, oh, those are cute, they're stickies. It's My Mind's Eye sticky notes. That one says today, and then they're just little date and taken, a little page flag, and then the cute little month. That's really cute. Oh, these are cute. The Project Life. This is the High Five one, and here's what it has in it. Today, life is real life. Forever is composed of nows, and then it has some die cuts in there. Oh, those are so cute. These are Hello Pastel metal paper clips, and they're little cameras. Oh my gosh, those are so cute. There is the stamp, Daily Flash Decade stamp. Ooh, really excited about that, and that's what it'll look like when it stamps. These are really cute. Gold green sticky keys. They're from October Afternoon. There's 210 stickers. I just dropped something. Oh, these are cute. They're little public library tidbits. And that's what it looks like. Those are cute. Ooh, and these are papers. Oh my gosh, that is really cute. And then on the back it looks like that. On the front it looks like that. Ooh, those are so cute, the cameras. That's cute. This one's really cute. It says to do, and it's a little typewriter. So cute. Sorry. And then there's this cute little package with a heart on it. Oh my gosh. That's cute. It's a little flag. Guys, look at this. Oh my gosh, it's so cute. I love the camera. And then there's, this is a little, this is a little envelope. Oh, it's so cute, guys. Another little envelope. And another, just a little paper. It's like a library card. How cute. And these are stickers that match those papers. So it's like Planner's Got a Plan, To Do, Hello Beautiful. They're like the, these are from the Reset Girl Shop. And they are so, so, so cute. And then there's just the little circles. You guys, I'm so excited about this. It's so pretty. I love these papers. This is my first month to actually get it. I had two I paid to be on their waiting list, and then I got in for May, and so I'll have it every month from now on. It's definitely worth it. And if you can ever get on it, don't get off of it, I think, is what I'm gonna have to just do. I love these. Everything is just so, so adorable. And this is the, it's Christy Tomlinson, the Planner Society. And it's the Secret Line Planner Society. And she has a Facebook group, and she has an Instagram. And then the Reset Girl, I'm actually signed up for their workshop, and I'm doing it too, and I love it. They're telling me all about the planners right now, and it just started yesterday. So this is what came in the kit, and it is also very cute, and I love it all. Thank you.